What you passing out, D? Oh. Say something.
Peace to the Middle East. Traveling man out here gonna travel, see the sights, see the world.
All right. Hey.
Hey,
Say something.
glad to be here. Glad to. I wish I was riding, but glad to be on the trip.
Say something, D.
Yeah, man, like we finna roll out to South Carolina. We're gonna have a good time. We're gonna do some ground pounding for about 12 hours.
Whew.
You know it. Peace.
Double A.
What up?
Give me something. Video.
In the dark?
Yeah, it's got low light.
New technology.
Technology. So, say something. You live.
How's everybody?
All right.
It's a camera.
Yeah, GoPro. As I can. BP.
All right, how you doing, sir? Hello. All right.
All right.
We kicking out of here in 10 minutes.
10 minutes. All right.
Have a safe trip, guys.
Thank you.
This is how we roll. Soldier. This is how we roll.
We lost. What's the current state of affairs?
Get your helmet on.
Mr. President.
Get your helmet on, get your ass on your bike, and let's go.
Ace. 2.1. I got y'all. I got you. I don't let nobody mess with me.
All right, go ahead.
Let's roll.
We rolling, baby. Where we at anyway?
We don't know.
What state we in? Anybody know?
We still in Ohio. We think we're in Ohio.
Still in Ohio. We've
We've been in Ohio for like 5 hours.
Disarray. That's where the state of disarray.
That ain't no
Hey,
state.
Put the groove down right.
where is it?
In the front seat.
This is how we roll. Soldier. This is how we roll.
Alright, it's what's today? Thursday. 6. We made it last night. Just waking up. Good morning, D.
Good morning. Good morning.
This is our room.
Right after all that ground pounding for 18 hours yesterday, we finally made it. Hoorah! Hoorah! We're here.
You ain't gonna take some of them clothes off?
It's cool out here. I like
Yeah, you won't get frostbite.
Yeah, I like this.
Alright, this is Scott. Alright, so now you gotta start from yesterday. Now what happened? You lost your plate
Yeah.
on the ride in.
I'm guilty.
He's guilty of that.
Guilty.
So he got his license, he's made the license, got cardboard, got it around his neck. So now he's legit, but I'm thinking that's almost guaranteed to stop when we get out here rolling.
Yeah.
So
Explain it, though.
plus your skin color is conducive to a stop anyway, with like all of us.
Exactly.
So guilty as charged.
Yeah.
But he's legit.
My man.
Alright.
I just want to say I'm the president, and we're gonna take good care of him.
Right.
We're not gonna let him get hurt. My man.
We did it for him.
We did. Buffalo.
Soldier.
Soldier.
Lance. What up?
That's the wolf, man.
Ooh. Hey,
Man, I'm finna get in the water, man.
Oh, hold on, you ain't got the water yet.
the pool?
Yeah, the
You
pool,
found the pool?
Oh, okay.
pool and the cool drink, man. Man.
Where the pool at?
What a cool drink.
Pool's in the back.
Just gotta get the morning shot.
Good morning.
All right.
North Carolina.
North Carolina.
There you go.
Right.
For guys,
I'm still trying to remember. So we chilling in the hotel today. Having some food and some beverages. Looks like it's gonna rain. So, record. Where you at? Where you from?
State runner, Woodbridge.
All right.
Woodbridge,
Go.
Virginia.
Chicago, Buffalo Soldiers.
Okay.
Nice to meet you. The entrance. Buffalo Soldiers room. I'm back.
You can play bid on that. We played bid
Huh?
on the service.
You getting up again? You getting up again?
Leave him alone, man. Let him get up there.
You getting up again? You getting up again? You can't talk? You can't talk?
Yeah, I'm getting out. But it ain't my fault.
Who will 13 to get it? Just show.
When you
He getting up again and then fight by the Carter soldiers, I guess. Brother Carter.
ass got served.
Say that again.
R. Kelly and Bill Cosby started a tour. It's called Pissing the
Wait, what was he doing? Piss and Pill. The Piss and Pill tour. The Piss and Pill tour.
You figure out pick up their resume.
A good hand.
I don't know.
I don't know. What y'all playing?
I don't know.
We playing the baby's game.
Scott, what you doing? You look sleepy. Wake up.
What? Hold on, man. Hold on.
Yeah, say it again. They can't hear you. Go ahead. Go ahead, say it again. We get witnesses in Walmart. They can't hear you. Stand up. Right now. Hey. Y'all say something. Put this together. Y'all gonna be on it. I'm gonna get it to all y'all.
Be the witness.
Introduce yourself on camera. State
Woodbridge, Virginia.
All right. What's about to happen?
Hey, right now, them two asses is hot.
What you?
My ass get tired of get up and go give me another drink. My brother gonna smack them if I walk away.
Put the sugar out and we'll lose.
No, that's some bullshit. They want to make an excuse. But I'm telling you right now, both of them want to get their ass whooped. Wait.
I can't even play. We sitting out here. We done beat them twice already. We can't play. And if y'all play two bosses, we can't play. So right now, we're gonna cut and we can't play. I'm gonna
Hey,
I'm gonna deal now.
I'll cut them.
I'm gonna deal now. I'm gonna deal now. I can't play.
Shuffle them cards. Don't shuffle off the buffalo. Hey, watch these guys, man.
Oh, now you want to watch it up.
What you say, Silk?
You and me. I'll cut the cards. Don't know who we beat.
Ah, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I'll be back.
Hey, wait a minute. I tell you right now before you go, I guarantee I asked you for me.
I said, can you get away today?
We had a book about that.
Yeah, we kind of do so.
Keep that. Keep that. Come on. Take your time. Take your time. Just stop the bounce. Take your time. Just stop the bounce. Just stop the bounce. Just stop the bounce. Just stop the bounce. Now look for that. Now look for that. Now look for that. Oh yeah. This was my hand was down. Ain't no boss. I know. Ain't no boss. Now they ain't get no boss. They gotta leave.
Some bullshit.
They gotta leave.
Took him out.
They got to stop before Boston.
How you gonna
They
do this?
got off before Boston. They jumped off the train before Boston. So who next? Y'all down there?
It's over.
They got one book.
I didn't even finish my drink.
I tried to get you to come on film because it's gonna be history, but you
I thought I had some time.
tried to flash.
Who next?
Soon somebody picks the drink, I'm done.
Wait, now they fighting amongst themselves. Look. Now they over there fighting amongst themselves. See, they lost. Now they.
Ain't nobody gonna play the Cardinals no more.
look. They
got told with all around the room. Anybody playing big wins?
Now they fighting amongst them.
Anybody playing big wins? Like I said,
When you got us,
I left home 2 days ago. I'm gonna leave my gun behind.
take this shit.
Hey, so now y'all fighting amongst yourselves?
Yeah, hell yeah.
It's all over, man.
Hey, look at
He
him.
the bigger little.
Get the drone, he's stripping.
Oh shit! Oh! What the fuck is going on over here? What the fuck are y'all? This is a family hotel. What the fuck? What you got him doing? All right, we need. Wait. What the fuck? Really? Really?
do it again.
Say yeah, what? Yeah, what? What? We were live. We're live on Buffalo Soldier's video. Meeks, explain yourself.
I've been recruited by these gentlemen to show my.
Wait, hold on, stop. Wait. Y'all asked him to take his clothes off? Ace?
No,
Lance?
his woman did.
Whoa. Mrs. Ace. Mrs. Ace.
You asked me to take
You requested Meeks to take his clothes off?
Just for a second.
Oh!
There you go.
Wait, Mr. Ace. What did you have to say? What did you have to say?
I know nothing about
Oh, that's what I'm talking about.
Just a second.
Plausible deniability has its place. Lance, what you got to say?
I walked in on him.
Oh, you've been sitting there for 10 minutes.
You tell me he
All right, back to you. What the fuck are y'all doing?
taking a picture.
Well, he was doing all of that. He was doing this. He was doing this.
He was posing for it.
That wasn't posing.
I was trying to.
He was posing over and over again.
I was trying to demonstrate what y'all been unfortunately unable to accomplish. Hold it.
Wait for it. Scott, you awake? Hey, I had to throw it back. Why you hold that phone? You awake?
Sleepy here.
Sleepy?
Yeah.
Wake yourself.
Sleepy.
All right. So, Buddha, we having this conversation now. Our VP is saying he don't like bacon, but he love pork. He love pork. So we gonna try to get him to explain. Here,
They don't want you to have, yes, sir.
explain this.
Okay, listen. The reason why they tell you to order turkey bacon is because they tell you that turkey bacon is better for you.
It's the band. It's the band.
But the thing is, why would they want you to stop eating
It's the
bacon?
man.
No. It's a conspiracy.
There it
That's
is.
what I'm trying to tell you.
So what you saying? What you saying?
I'm trying to tell you, listen. Because if it was really bad for you, they would want you to have it.
They
You think they're gonna stop you from doing something that's good for you? No, they're gonna stop you from
Like riding a Honda? Like riding a Honda's good for you? I'm just saying. Like riding a Honda good for you, riding a Harley's not.
Look at me.
So riding a Harley is like bacon.
Look at that hand. Y'all hands still shaking from me. The Harley Davidson ride.
Look, hey, look.
You know why my hand's shaking?
Look. My
hand's shaking because
Oh! Wait, again.
That's why our hands is shaking. So we all like,
That's right. Chucking the bitches in there.
I see you in your Harley.
All right.
No, they're doing that because they got 2 more miles, man. I gotta pull over. 2 more miles, man. Pull over. Meet me in 2 more miles, man. I gotta pull over. I ain't pulling over 2 miles, man. Every 2 miles, man. I gotta pull over. That's what that is, baby. 2 miles, man. Meet me 2 miles. That's that secret Harley Davidson talk.
When y'all do see this video, Deep was talking big trash and got his ass told up.
It ran you out the room.
Not that it makes a difference, because everybody else getting the whooping. And then you had
You almost got ran off the corner of the table.
I didn't get no
You almost got ran off the corner of the table.
Almost getting run off the table and getting run off the table at the same table.
We lost. The two of us, we lost.
You got beat by the girl, by Trey's girl.
No. See, we was having class over there. Y'all didn't understand. We was having class over there. She was teaching us.
You was failing.
She was teaching us card counting techniques.
You were failing the class, though.
In class, ain't no failing in class. You always win.
You gonna get sleepy? Huh? You gonna get sleepy?
Ah, hey.
Let me tell you about this. It's a Kelly 319,000 horsepower. We'll take off and do 100 miles an hour in 60.1 seconds. She was all the way wrong. Buffalo Soldier, 1910 Cavalry right here, out of Florida. Got a soldier in the house. What's up, baby? All right, then.
Get all the way out here, 800 plus miles, and then trip over a police tape while walking. Drive. They got a dino over there? Yeah. Ready? Shit. You see her? She had like 10 clips on her vest. I'm like, you ready, huh?
This is how we roll. Soldier. This is how we roll.
Today is the 8th. Get ready to ride to Myrtle Beach. Sky is pretty clear. We're gonna see. Still got no voice. Hopefully it comes back.
This is how we roll. Soldier. This is how we roll.
Made it. Where we at, Phil?
Hard Rock Cafe, baby.
Bonnie.
North Carolina.
Look.
Hard Rock Cafe.
All right.
y'all gonna eat here? Just keep asking where we're gonna sit.
Do y'all want to eat or not? Cause I'm not hungry.
You not hungry?
I'm not hungry.
No, it's our new hard rock.
Right. Okay.
This is how we roll. Soldier. This is how we roll.
Alright, it's Sunday. We ready to roll out. Now the truck is leaking fluid. We got to get everything, good and the bad.
Yeah.
Get his hands, man.
I need a step stool, man.
Gotta get his
Super
hands.
Mechanic V is out here doing what he does.
Get his hands.
Definitely not by choice.
You got gloves on.
Yeah.
Not by choice.
Because he usually don't have grease on his hand.
Right, right.
It's like magic.
Fix that. Put no grease. I try to leave as much grease on the car as I can.
But still an ice, emptying out the ice machine.
Not stealing ice, getting ice.
Borrowing.
Getting ice.
Getting ice, right.
I'm not borrowing, I'm
Getting.
not stealing, I'm getting ice.
Sorry.
We need some for our cooler.
Improper terminology.
This is how we roll. Soldier. This is how we roll. This is how we roll. Soldier. This is how we roll. Soldier.
What? video. This is video.
This is how we roll. This is how we roll. Soldier.